Alright, after testing over 20 different front and rear dash cams, I found the 5 best dash cam setups for your car. Each one captures crystal clear video day and night, records reliably on impact, and gives you peace of mind on every drive, whether you're commuting, road tripping, or protecting your car from hit and runs. But there are also a few dash cams that look good online but don't perform well in real use. I'll tell you which ones to avoid later in the video. Links to all the best front and rear dash cams, along with discounts and extra coupons I found, are in the description. Let's start with number 5. We've got the IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam. This one is a solid entry pick for drivers who want full coverage without spending a fortune. Instead of just front and rear, this setup records front, rear, inside, and both sides, giving you a true 360-degree view around the car. Video quality is full HD across all 4 cameras, so license plates, cabin activity, and side impacts are clearly captured. For night driving, the interior camera uses 8 infrared lamps, which means the cabin stays visible even in complete darkness, great for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants interior evidence. What really helps with daily use is the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Videos download fast, up to 20 megabytes per second, so you're not sitting in your car waiting forever just to save a clip. The app works smoothly on both iOS and Android, making sharing or reviewing footage super easy. It also has built-in GPS showing speed, route, and location right on the video, which can be extremely helpful if you ever need proof after an incident. And yes, it even includes a free 128GB memory card, so you're ready to go right out of the box. For parked cars, the 24-hour parking mode gives peace of mind with motion and collision detection, and the supercapacitor design handles heat better than standard batteries. At number 4, we've got the ROVE R2 4K dual dash cam front and rear. This one sits in that sweet mid-range spot where you start getting serious features without jumping into ultra-premium pricing. Up front, you're getting true 4K recording, paired with full HD at the rear, so both ends of your car are covered clearly. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor makes a real difference here. Footage stays sharp and readable even at night, which is huge for highway driving or poorly lit streets. What really stands out is the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Videos download fast, up to 20 megabytes per second, so you're not sitting in your car waiting forever just to save a clip. The app works smoothly on both iOS and Android, making sharing or reviewing footage super easy. It also has built-in GPS showing speed, route, and location right on the video, which can be extremely helpful if you ever need proof after an incident. And yes, it even includes a free 128GB memory card, so you're ready to go right out of the box. For parked cars, the 24-hour parking mode gives peace of mind with motion and collision detection, and the supercapacitor design handles heat better than standard batteries. At number 3, we've got the Turansol 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear. Now this one comes with the free 128GB card already included, so yeah, you can literally plug it in and start recording right away. What really makes this dash cam stand out is the true 4K recording on both the front and rear cameras. That means sharper license plates, clearer road signs, and better evidence if something happens, especially on busy highways. The front camera also has a wide 170-degree view, so you're covering more lanes without blind spots. Night driving is handled well too. With Starlight Night Vision, WDR, and a large aperture lens, footage stays bright and detailed even in low-light situations like late-night city driving or dim parking lots. It connects using fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which makes downloading videos to your phone quick and painless through the app. GPS is built in as well, so speed and route data are recorded directly on the video, useful for insurance or accident proof. For protection when parked, it supports 24-hour parking mode with motion detection and time-lapse recording, and the G sensor automatically locks important clips during impacts. Storage isn't an issue either, since it supports cards up to 512 gigabytes. At number 2, we've got the REDTIGER 4K front and rear dash cam. This one sits in that solid mid-range zone, and honestly, it's built for people who actually care about video quality and reliability, not just having a camera stuck on the windshield. Up front, it records in true 4K, paired with a full HD rear camera. Thanks to the Starvis 2 sensor and wide 170-degree front view, footage stays sharp and well-balanced, even at night. Headlights, license plates, street signs, they all come through clearly, which is exactly what you want if something goes wrong on the road. The night performance is where this one really shines. With WDR and a large aperture lens, low-light driving doesn't turn into a grainy mess. Late-night commuters, rideshare drivers, and road trippers will appreciate that clarity. Connecting to your phone feels fast and smooth using built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Clips download quickly through the app, and the built-in GPS logs speed and routes automatically. It even comes with a free 128 GB memory card, so you're ready to record right out of the box. For protection, loop recording runs continuously, while the G-sensor locks important clips during impacts. There's also 24-hour parking mode for when your car is parked, adding another layer of security. And instead of a battery, it uses a supercapacitor, which handles heat far better, especially in hot climates. At number 1, we've got the VIOFO A229 Plus dual-channel dashcam, and honestly, this is where things turn properly premium. This model records 2K at the front and 2K at the rear, and both cameras use Sony Starvis 2 sensors. In real life, that means night footage looks clean instead of grainy, and moving license plates stay readable instead of turning into a blur. It's especially reassuring for late-night driving or poorly lit roads. The HDR works on both cameras, so bright headlights and dark streets stay balanced. You also get up to 60 frames per second on the front, which makes fast-moving scenes much clearer during playback. Day-to-day use is simple too. There's voice control, so you can lock clips or turn Wi-Fi on without touching anything. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi is noticeably faster when downloading clips to your phone, and the built-in quad-mode GPS logs speed and location accurately for evidence. Parking protection is well covered with 3 parking modes, including buffered event recording, so it captures what happened even before an impact. Installation is clean thanks to the compact design and updated menu system that's easy to navigate. Just note, the SD card isn't included, so you'll want a high-endurance card for best results. If you want a top-tier front and rear dash cam with excellent night quality, smart features, and rock-solid reliability, the VIOFO A229 Plus easily earns the #1 spot. Alright guys, that wraps up our list of the best front and rear dash cams for 2026. If you're still unsure about which one to pick, don't worry, that's totally normal because all of these are great options for different needs and budgets. And before you go, don't forget to check the description below. I've dropped discounted links for every dashcam mentioned in this video, so you can compare prices and snag the best deal right away. Plus, I also found some extra coupons that are available with those links, which can save you even more money. So go ahead, scroll down, and grab the best deal on the dashcam that fits your car and your budget.